The last type of 3D pattern which you can create in Solidworks is the sketch-driven pattern. So with the sketch-driven pattern, you can create quickly and easily copies of a certain 3D solid on a face of another object. For this reason, I have already created a 3D object which, as you can see, has a single hole in it. Now I want to place 5 more holes on its top face. However, since the solid object is not circular, I cannot use the circular pattern for this example. So I have already created a sketch in which I have drawn the points which represent the positions of the holes. Now all I have to do is activate the sketch-driven pattern tool. To activate this tool, I will click on the arrow below the linear pattern icon, which can be found in the Features ribbon. Once I activate the tool, the Property Manager palette activates automatically. I will go to the Features and Faces area and I will activate the Features field. Then I will select the Hole feature. Now I will go to the Selections area and I will activate the Reference Sketch field. Then I will click on one of the sketch's points and notice that the preview of the pattern appeared automatically. In addition, the sketch's name appears in the Reference Sketch field. Right below, there are the reference point options. With the centroid option active, the pattern is created around the geometric center of the sketch. However, if I select the Selected Point option, then I also have to select the reference point. So if I click on one of the sketch's points, notice how different the preview is. Since this is not the desired result, I will restore the centroid option. Now I will click on the check mark to create the pattern and inspect the final result. I can edit this feature if I go to the Feature Manager design tree, click on it and then select the Edit Feature option. Now you can use the sketch-driven pattern tool to create your own sketch-driven patterns.